Once I said to one of my clients that life is a blessing and you need to live it that way. You know what's happened? He said, life, blessing. I said, if you're a blessed soul, you would feel the difference. Look, if you entertain the blessings that you have, you would remain blessed. Blessing is what to be realized. It is nothing but to be realized. And the moment you realize the blessing of your being and the blessing like the eyes that you can see, the blessing of your tongue that you can taste, and the blessing of your brain that you can think about things, and even the blessing of your that you can touch and feel, that's blessing. Just the moment you start enjoying the blessings that you have, the moment you start entertaining the blessing that you have, what happens? You start feeling the unfelt. You start feeling the unheard. Like you start feeling, I'm going to hear now what is unheard. I'm going to see now what is unseen. I'm going to touch now what actually cannot be touched. You would get connected. And this is the best time for you to get connected. And the moment you start, like the moment you get connected, you would start living the way you need to live. And then you would find a real, true purpose of your life. And believe you me, whenever people come to me and they say that I'm trying to just find out the purpose of my life or the aim of my life, I simply tell them one thing, that your purpose of your life should be your happiness. If you can make yourself happy, you can make anyone happy around. And even if they're not happy, that's not your concern. That should not be your concern. You should only be concerned about your happiness, because the one who is concerned about one's happiness becomes selfless, not selfish. So don't confuse it with that selfishness. Happy blessing moment you can start living right now. Thank you.